This is a modified battery capacity testing setup using the ZB2L3 module. With the ZB2L3 module, we usually discharge the battery at a constant rate of 1 ampere during testing. However, depending on the battery type and requirement, sometimes we need to discharge at a higher or lower rate. That's why we have modified this system. Now we can discharge the battery at 3 different rates: 0.5 ampere, 1 ampere and 2 amperes. By default, the system discharges the battery at 0.5 ampere, and using the switches provided on the top, you can activate the 1 ampere or 2 ampere discharge modes. Another great feature of this setup is that it can operate without any external power supply. Why is that important? Because when we use a charger to power the module, there's a chance of power interruption during the testing, which can leave the battery test incomplete. To solve this issue, we have added a small LiPo battery that powers the module continuously, ensuring that test runs smoothly and uninterrupted. In the final part of this video, I will show you how to use this setup properly. But before that, let's take a look at how to build this complete setup and what components we will need. So as you can see, our setup is completely ready. It looks quite gorgeous and well organized, and the best part is you don't need any extra knowledge to use it. That's because the main task is handled by the ZB2L3 module, and most of us already know how to use this module. All we need to understand is how do we select the discharge rate. At the top you will see two switches. If both switches are off, the module will discharge the battery at the default rate of 0.5 ampere. As you can see here, the battery is currently discharging at 500 milliampere. Now if we turn on the right switch, the module will begin discharging the battery at 1000 milliampere or 1 ampere, which you can see happening now. Similarly, if we turn on the left switch, the module will start discharging the battery at a rate of 2 amperes. You can see it's now discharging at near 2 ampere. So this is how you can easily control the discharge rate using the setup and test your battery at different current levels as needed. Alright friends, that's the setup I have shared with you today. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. If you enjoyed this kind of video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I will see you again soon with something new. Until then, stay safe and take care.